At the 2024 Overland Expo East show, I got a first look at the Nomad RV's Euphoria travel vehicle. Now I say travel vehicle because it's actually based on a all-wheel drive Mercedes Sprinter 3500 chassis with their 2-liter diesel engine, 9-speed automatic, and it's been converted from a super single to a dually, specifically so you can air down when you're taking it off-road. Adding on to that, a composite camper body that we're going to show you in just a second. Starting by seeing the completely pass-through storage box in the back and the rear metal box is attached. The overall length is 24 feet 6 inches. As we come around the front, you can see the cab from the Sprinter 3500 as well as the turn Overland doors and windows. You also notice it's got the legless awning on that passenger side for nice coverage. As we come around the front, you'll see the Flatline van company bumper with the integrated optional winch. And looking under his tires, you can see the Falcon shocks that have been added for the great ride off-road. So now, let's take a step inside. As you enter the rig, the first thing you're going to see is your kitchen, and notice how wide open this space really is. With a queen-size bed in the back, butcher block countertops, all aluminum cabinetry, so much room, all the integrated lighting. The pneumatic cooling air conditioner in the roof, as well as a convection oven, and right beside that is the bathroom, which wasn't finished at the time of taping. So, with that sink, that is filled with a 50-gallon freshwater tank, and then of course there is the all Victron electronics with 1,080 watts of solar on the roof and 1,080 amp hours of battery. This thing has plenty of power. Moving over, you see the fridge freezer combo, and then we can see that interior cab as well as overhead storage space. Plenty of storage space, really wide open. Honestly, I just love how wide open this whole feels. Really was a great build and fantastic to get to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks Nomad for bringing an awesome rig to the show.